to another solution based video. And today I will show you how to take burst mode on your iPhone. So yesterday what happened, like I was trying to take a burst mode on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I couldn't take that burst mode photo and I forgot the feature. But previously it was different, like burst mode system feature was different. But on new iOS, if you want to take the burst mode, and it's different, and it's very simple how to take the burst mode. Just I will show you, and I will also show you how to take selfie burst mode, and you can set the time as well, like timer. So let's have a look. Here you just need
shutter button. This is the shutter button, and here you just need to this shutter button you just need to take left, like you have to swipe left. So first like this. So this is very simple to taking for taking the burst mode photos. And now I will show you how to take burst mode on selfie camera. Even like if you want to take burst mode with a timer, so you can set the timer as well. Like I've set it a time, and now see it is counting. And okay, you have to flip your front camera. So now you can see here my selfie camera is open, and you have to swipe a little bit faster like this. And if you want to set the time limit, then you can set the timer. Here's the timer, like this. Okay, not like this. Okay, so it is counting here, we can see. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe. And this is very simple and easy way to take the burst mode, and there is no other option to take your burst mode photos by using your camera app. So thank you for watching, and if you have any problem or if you have any trouble with this, and let me know on my comment section below, and I will try to help you as much as I can. And obviously if you get any other problem on your Apple devices, then please let me know on my comment section. I will try to upload that video regarding that issue.